Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add as well as remove members from a group on Outlook. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're in Outlook and we going down on the left hand side. You've got a menu and you'll see right at the bottom it says go to groups. Right over here you will see that we've got a group, and if we want to add a member to this group, you'll go to the right hand side. You'll see a little icon that says add members. If you hover your mouse cursor over there, right at the top, it says enter a name or email address. All right, so let's just go ahead and enter an email address over here. So that's frank@gmail.com, and let's go and click on it. Now that it's clicked and selected, you'll see that the add button comes up, and all you have to do is simply click on add. Now you have added Frank to this group. You can see over here there's emails, events, and members. If you click on members here, you can actually manage all of your members. So you can see that you can change their role. You can then also click on the X to remove a member. So let's go ahead and click on that. It asks you if you're sure. You're going to say yes. And now you've successfully added and removed members from your group.